Yo traders, what's good? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've subbed up, you know that it's love. So just a quick mentions before I get into the video. So MambaFX is the prop firm that I'm trading on right now. You do need to pass a challenge before you start getting paid though. So if you feel like taking a challenge, feel like you're up for it, then just hit the link in the description. It's going to take you safely to the website. Also, the only Forex broker that I'm using in 2025 is Fusion Markets. They offer 500 times leverage. They got super low spreads. They pay me within 12 hours every single time I withdraw, and there's not much more to say. You got to pay some commissions when you're trading, but boo-hoo, that's just part of life. You can't get it all. So yeah, Fusion Markets, hit them up. The link is in the description. Also, there's a link for TradingView. If you purchase any subscription through that link, you're gonna get a bonus and a discount, and who don't like saving money? Make sure you stick around for this video because at the end I'm going to be breaking down some psychology and to be honest, the most important things for this strategy and any trading strategy. So make sure you watch to the end and really don't miss that part because it's going to be the most important bit in my eyes. So it's Monday the 17th of February and it's just gone 10 past 2. Actually, it's like 2 minutes past, so I haven't really got long to analyze, but I'm going to just show you actually how quick and easy I can analyze a chart. And this isn't to like show off anything, it's just to literally show you people overcomplicate trading all the time. So MYM, which is US30, trending nicely, but actually not really any structure. Not all charts are going to look as choppy as this is because this is a futures platform and it just looks shittier. But if you go on TradingView, it probably doesn't look this bad at all. But yeah, on the 5-minute time frame on NAS, let's have a look at NAS. Kind of consolidating overall, not really looking the best, I'm not gonna lie. So in situations like this, you could literally, and I'm not even lying, just draw a breakout line to the downside where it makes the sense though. So right now it would be there because this is the most like, you know, recent kind of structure. So if it gets broken through, we just sell. It sounds crazy easy, but that's the strategy. Don't overcomplicate it. And the same as if it breaks to the upside, just buy. I know it sounds crazy simple, but look, you overcomplicate trading, you're gonna make it hard for yourself. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick to that, and I'm gonna post in the Discord now, which I do every single day, by the way. I just give people trade ideas like this, and yeah, I was telling to use between 25 and 20 pips, 12 pips myself. And I'm gonna use 12 pips. And people ask why the pips look like they always change and stuff. It's not that, it's because of the volume. Like, look, if you was down there, it makes sense to use, I don't know, 25 pips, look, 24 pips, because look, it's the volume. Because there's barely any volume up there, it just makes sense. It's because I've got it so shrunken. I'm going to take a picture of this. It's another 1 to 2. It's basically just breaking my fucking lines. Like, it was there initially, now it broke through, closed. Now I've moved my line there. That's basically what you do with breakout lines. You just move them, readjust them, and just keep making them make sense. That is a sell. I can't even cheat myself. This is bullshit.
Order filled.
Do you know what? It's lagging like that on me all the time, and I'll be honest with you, I think it's because I got the copy trader on. But that's some bullshit, and it shouldn't be doing it. I'll be honest. I'm gonna go. I'm going to go in.
Order filled.
I'm going to bring it to 250. Yeah, 250. So it's a tight one, but I'm in. And we just target these bottoms, assuming it goes that way, you know. Also, I move to break even when I'm 250, but right now I'm a little bit, you know, I can't move. Alright, that's close enough to my break even now. That was a 1-to-1 for sure. I'm at break even. Put that in my Discord. Boom. So I'm at break even. If it fucking stops me out now, it stops me out. That was a pip away, not gonna lie. I can get rid of this now because I'm at break even anyway. So let's look on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, I like to go out to the 15 minutes sometimes and think to myself, right, so is it possible this 15-minute candle comes all the way down there? Yeah, in my eyes, definitely. Like, 100%. Look, there we go. Just as I started saying it starts to melt. So we hit 500, I'll be done. That's a good Monday. Don't make me close out. Touch it. I don't want to close. You do it. Ah, you're going to make me close.
Order
nah,
filled.
you did it. You did it. Nice. I didn't want to do it, but yeah, everyone in the Discord's going to be happy if they didn't get stopped out. So let me just get into this last bit, which I think is the most important. So the most important thing in trading to me, and what made it all click, I believe, is when I actually understood that losing is part of trading. You got wins and you got losses, but if you just take away the winning and losing and call it trades, you got trades. You ain't got a win or you ain't got a loss, you got a trade. So put it like this: I don't give a shit if I'm winning and I don't give a shit if I'm losing. I'm just trading. Winning, okay, it's cool, we all want to win, but if you only focus on winning, you're never going to get them winning trades, because you're always going to be like, oh, this ain't an A+ setup, I need to make sure it's in a downtrend, I need to make sure price is respecting the EMA, I need to make sure there's support resistance, I need to make sure all of that bullshit, right? When really all I fucking do is come on a chart and put a line there and a line there, and when the line gets broken, guess what I do? I move the line down there and then I wait for it to break. That's why I say this is the most important part of the video, because fuck everything else. I mean, it's good to know it all. I do know everything about trading almost, like fair value gaps, smart money concepts, ICT, support and resistance, supply and demand. I know all of that stuff, liquidity grabs and stuff. I know it all, but I only use the basics. But it is good to know it all, because then you understand, okay, when you see a big wick like this and then price starts going up, well, that's an extra confluence, isn't it? Okay, cool, there's a big wick. Now I can put a breakout line there, and if it breaks it, then I know that we're going up, because if left a wick there, rejected the downside, blah, 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 put a support and resistance there. Do you know what I mean? Like, honestly, don't overcomplicate trading. There's so many things to learn, but just stick to these basic things, and I promise you, with the right risk management, you're gonna make money. I don't give a shit. There's this one person always up in my comments giving me shit. I'm not even gonna out them, but you probably could go there and see every single video. Probably on this one it'll be too. Oh, breakout trading isn't real. Breakout trading isn't gonna last. You can't make money with breakout trading. Sorry to tell you, my friend, I make a living from breakout trading, and this is all I do. So until it stops working, I'm gonna keep doing it. All right, because simplicity is key. I don't want to be looking for these million confluences just to press a button. Yeah, if I'm in the markets and I see this little consolidation, I go, right, when it breaks the upside, I'm buying. Simple. I'm moving to a break even when I'm 1-to-1, and if it goes in my favor, it goes in my favor. I know when it starts losing momentum, I'm gonna close. When I'm comfortable to close, I'll close. I closed today super early on this trade. Super early. I got out so soon. I got out so quick. I didn't let it play. I didn't let it run all the way down there. I could have, but I was happy with what I got. £500 quickly on a Monday just to start the week. I'm happy with that. Who do you know who makes that amount of money in fucking 5 minutes or so? No one. It's like £100 a minute if you break it down like that. So I rambled a bit. I've gone on a little bit. I'm sorry. Yeah, I do need to remedy my videos a bit and stop cursing so much as well, because it's bad. I do get that, but I just get in the zone. I'm just being myself. But look, we're buying on the breaks when there's volume. We're getting out before they can reverse on us. It's that simple. Don't overcomplicate it. And I obviously target like previous structure and stuff. Like when it's breaking out, look at what it's done. There's no coincidence that it's got all the way down to this area and they've left these wicks there, and now it's shot back up, because that's an area, right, of like support. You can see it reacted so many times from there before. It's just come back and it's reacted from it again. If you stick to the strategy and you take what it gives you, and you don't try and be greedy or overcomplicate trading and all that stuff, you're gonna make money with it. Just keep watching these videos every day. You're gonna get a hang of it. But I'm telling you now, anybody who tells me this simple shit don't work, watch me in a year then. Watch me in a year where I'm gonna be in my life from breakout trading. If it keeps on working, I'm gonna keep doing it. The month that I actually go a whole month in the reds from this breakout strategy is the day I switch it. It's the day I'll change it. Yeah, but until then,